Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today, I'm at my 92-year-old mother's house. She says her air conditioning just isn't putting out. So we're going to take a look at it. Here is the air conditioning unit that we will be looking at. The weather in Michigan for the last couple of days has been in the mid to high 80s. With those temperatures, most air conditioning units will be running. First, let's check to see what our suction line and our liquid line look like. The suction line has a little bit of condensate on it and it's cold to the touch, so that's good. Our liquid line is warm but not hot. That's also good. Let's see if we can take a look at what the condenser looks like to see if there's any dirt that needs to be cleaned off the condenser coil. It's not the dirtiest coil I've ever seen, but it probably could use a little bit of a brushing. Let's take the air intake panels off and see what we find. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the power. Now we'll verify if we have power disconnected. These are the two wires, these orange wires, that go to the unit itself. Now we're going to take off the air inlet panels on the condenser. We will need to remove all the screws that hold them in place. Now, using a soft brush with long bristles, I am going to brush off the thin coat of dirt that is on the condenser coil. Here's a quick look at the coil after I clean the coil with this soft brush. Since I removed the screws of the condenser panels, I decided to clean the bulk of the leaves on the bottom of the compressor area. The coil unit really weren't that dirty, but since I was here, I decided to clean it. It wasn't really in trouble, but I'm glad I did. Now it's good for the rest of the season. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.